Hey everyone, this is Steven with Modern Ember. I want to walk you through today our Uptown series, which is one of the feature traditional fireboxes we have here at Modern Ember. That'll give you all the benefits of electric fire without the hassle of wood or gas. The Uptown series is great for retrofitting any space. Whether you've got an existing wood or gas fireplace and just want to get rid of the hassle of wood or gas and replace it with electric, the Uptown's a perfect choice. We also have a lot of customers that use this to enhance different rooms, offices, dens, basements, bathrooms. You can either retro this into an existing space or create a bump out in your wall and install it that way. The options are pretty much endless in terms of where you can use this product. So you can use the Uptown with heat or without. That basically gives you the option to use it in the summer and just experience the ambiance of the flame, or in the winter when it's cold and you want to heat up a space. The Uptown series is really the way to go. So if you're looking for heat and a way to heat a room, the Uptown series is the way to do it. Multiple settings in heat that you control either through the remote, or we've got a full Wi-Fi connected capability in this that offers you ability to use it through our Modern Ember app, and you actually get voice control through either Google Home or Alexa. The Uptown series and really all Modern Ember products offer full voice and Wi-Fi connectivity. And then let's talk customization in terms of the look. We offer almost 100 different flame combinations between color, speed, brightness settings, again, all controlled through the remote or the app, and you can kind of customize this however you want that look, feel to be in your space, depending on who you have over in your space. So a lot of customization. We bring the heat with this item with the Whisper Quiet infrared heater, and then you get full connectivity by the remote or through our Wi-Fi app. We thought of everything with the Uptown. So when it comes to options with the Modern Ember Uptown series, we've got them. So let's start with sizing. We offer Uptown fireboxes anywhere from 23 inches to 33 inches. And in that size range, they all come with optional trim kits. So if your opening or your hole that you're retrofitting into is a little bit larger, simple magnetic trim kit for the 23 through the 33 inch. Oh yeah, you clear up that space and get a nice clean finished look, even if your sizing isn't perfectly right. Then we offer a 36-inch true built-in builder's box. That's one of our most popular styles for trade professionals, builders, and designers alike. That comes in a 36-inch style, the true built-in builder's box. We've actually most recently this fall, we now offer all the way up to a 42-inch linear style. So if you want the more traditional logs and depths of a traditional firebox in a linear application, now offer the Uptown all the way up to a 42-inch. So we've got a size, style, and fit for really any space.